Alright, we'll check out South Station in Boston, Mass. We'll show you how to get hooked up with a commuter rail, where to go, how to find it, save you a lot of time. Stick with us here. South Station, we're outside the main entrance. We'll head straight in. There have been some changes depending on the last time you've been here. With all the construction, we'll give you a peek of that too, with the South Station Tower going up. So we'll come in right in the middle, see what it looks like. First thing you need to do is check out the big board. See where your line is at. Just make sure you're looking at the right one. Some of them will stop short at certain times, like that one there on the top is going to stop at Framingham, not going to go all the way to Worcester, something like that. So make sure you double check where you need to be. Now, you used to have to get to the tracks going way around that side, but it's changed now. It's pretty much straight ahead due to the tower construction. Anyone who's not aware of that, it's a big residential tower going up above. Here's an example of a change. This looks like they're going to be building a nice kind of atrium here, entryway. So heading to this side, well, here's another board, temporary one. Looks like they got set up as well. Over to this side are tracks 9 through 12. And you just got to work your way all the way down there to whatever one you need. They have these too. You can double check you're going on the right one. If one of those stops isn't yours, then you might not be on the right train. Looks like right here in the middle is going to be some stairs to get up into that tower. And there's another level right there, my guess. With the Amtrak and Acela here as well.